Hello, I have made marks on the video so then you could slide between the part you are stuck on without any issues. I'll respond to most comments of people that are having issues so I can help fix the issue. So, first you need F-Model and Unreal Engine. Get F-Model by going on the web and searching it up. And for Unreal Engine, you need to first type up Epic Games and then hit the install button. Or you can make an account first and then hit install. Either way, what works. Now once you have installed the Epic Games Launcher, just sign in, and then you could install the Unreal Engine version just like this. Once you install that version, you could then open up and you will be presented with a lot of options. You would want to make a blank project and make sure that you have no starter content on it, just like the settings you see here. Name the project Go To and hit the Create Project button. Now once the project's open, you need to go to Project Settings and delete the map. Then go to Packaging and tick off and on these features like so. Once you're done, open up F-Model. First you need to choose the UE version, so click the drop down and choose 427. Then go to the directory and choose the Goat Simulator 3 pack folder, and if you're using Steam or Epic Games, it still is kind of the same. Then just press the OK button. Then press the load button. And now here you're able to see the whole entire game. Now, since I like to mess around with humans, I'm going to go to that directory, but you could literally go to any texture you want to change, like it's anywhere for anything. If this is your first time, you could just follow me. I'm gonna take this character and edit them. Now it is really important that you keep the name exactly the same as the image that you exported out. Then go back to Unreal Engine and create a mods folder. Then once you make a mods folder, you need to make another folder with your mod's name, and it must have _p. So here I'm doing hen_p. Now you need to make a data asset and make sure it has DA and include your mod name. So here I would do DA_hen. Then you want to follow these exact settings that I'm doing right here. Now for this next part, you need to go back to the content folder and basically just recreate what you see in F-Model, and it's really hard to explain, so just better to see visually. In a way, all the folders leading up to that one image from content and forward, you want to kind of like create by yourself inside of here though. So that's what you see me doing right now. Then go back to the mods folder and open up your DA hen or whatever it is. And you want to hit the explicit thingy, open that up, put in the image, and then you want to fix up your redistributables just like that. Then you want to restart what you have, because I forgot to do that, but make sure you restart Unreal Engine. Then you want to grab both of those, fix them up one more time, and now you have just made your first ever Unreal Engine mod, or just Goat Simulator mod. And now you're just seeing me just showing you how to export it if you don't know. And that's all you really do to just export it. I'm just being specific, of course. And once you export that out, there's a couple more things to do before you actually fully have it. But you did make the mod though. Now you need to go to packs, and once you do, you need to rename that folder to whatever your mod was in the folder. So here I'm doing it again, hen_p. Then go to your real game folder and go all the way to packs. Then copy your pack from that folder, drag and drop it to the other folder, then make another folder called mods. I don't know what that key's called. Then just drag that in. And boom, you have officially made your first mod, okay? I know I said it the last time, but you have just made your actual first mod. Like, not even kidding. Like, that is awesome. Now, it might look like I literally, did nothing, but that's only because the effect was so subtle, and I thought I did it wrong, but I swear I didn't. I don't know why I made the effect a glitch effect. Of course it's gonna be hard to see it. I've tried to create a modding community, so if you ever need help, please join here. It's in the description. And you probably don't even care, but I make real content on YouTube as well on HenHenV2. Also in the description. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please sub so I can get recognized from the creators of Goat Simulator 3, which will probably never happen, but might.